Wow. Oh my gosh. I was filming. I was editing that. Hello everybody. Good morning. Today is the 16th of January. It is 1:35 in the morning. Sobrang aga ng flight namin today, guys. Our flight going to New York is around 5:30 in the morning. Ayan yung mukha ko. Super inaantok ako, guys. But has to be awake. Nagtulog kami kagabi mga 11. And then, yun nga. So, I only have like, siguro 3 oras na tulog. But, laban kasi laagan mata, guys. Alright, I'll make my husband coffee. Tcharam! Yeah, I can smell the coffee. Nobody's in here. You feel it yourself. Coffee mocha. Coffee mocha. I cannot close my bag. We stopped over, guys, to get something to drink. Sobrang aga pa, 2:30 in the morning. If they have a coffee mocha, would be nice. Muna lang. I cannot finish it. We get there.
Hot chocolate supreme.
You have no coffee mocha?
Okay.
Nothing?
It's not Starbucks.
Okay. Hot chocolate pa dito. Ilang bukas ng Starbucks. Guys, nagmamadali kami kanina. Like, yung intro ko na gumagawa ng coffee, hindi ko na natapos. Kasi sabi niya, alis na tayo. It's time to go. Which, I cannot close my bag. Guys, kita niyo yung mukha ko, guys. Walang tulog. 3 hours of sleep lang.
No.
Ha? Did I sleep 3 hours?
Hour and a half.
O, hindi ko na nga alam. Datagam. Kailaagan man. Okay, let's pay. We are now in the airport. Guys, ang lamig. I'm waiting on you. Not good. We're about to depart, guys. And it is 6:30 in the morning. Here in Houston.
In just a moment, we will be showing a very important safety demonstration regarding this Airbus A21 series aircraft.
Ako inaantok. Wow. It's pretty cold. We are back in Chicago Airport, guys. Where are we going? What gate?
We have a long walk.
Oh, long walk? Okay. Ang lamig, guys. So we're going this way again?
Yeah.
Oops. Ooh. Lamig. We're finally here, United Club. I'm so hungry. I need coffee, guys. Kakain talaga ako. Nagutom ako, guys. Nagtatakip ako ng mata kasi sobrang katulbo na ako mata. Super. We are here. We just landed here in Albany Airport. Guys, meron akong story na sasabihin na maya hindi ako makapagsalita talaga. Masakit yung ulo ko. But anyway, thank God we're safe. We landed safely. Where are we going next, babe? Never been here too.
Yes.
Let's find out. Okay, excuse me.
I mean, we have 3 cats.
Okay. Sobrang sakit ng mata ko. Very less people here. Very small. Did you say very small airport? Maliit, konting tao lang. Going to take an Uber, guys. Malamig. Not here? Welcome to Albany, ang lamig. Kita nyo yun, guys. I think it's here. Here. Uber. Here's our Uber. Thank you so much. I'll just take this one.
Get in.
We are in our hotel na guys. We're going to check in. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Very tall building. Malamig. Inulit. Malamig, malamig, malamig. So I cannot pronounce the name of the hotel. Basta mamaya. Pinakita ko naman yun. Look at this. Ang ganda naman ng receiving area ng hotel na to guys. So beautiful. Look, very nice. Classic. The painting is so nice. Ang bango. Mabango. Well, this is nice because it's not very cold. Yung hotel namin noon guys, nung nagpunta kaming Rochester, di ba? Sobrang lamig. But here, kaya. Okay, welcome to the room. We'll do a room tour. Ay, wow. It's playing. Oh.
It's already on.
Oh, that's so nice. Oh my. Okay. Oh, this is so nice. Let's do a little room tour, guys, for you. They have this accent light here in the entrance door. And upon walking in, they have this area here where you can put your luggages. Ito pang iron ng clothes. And then meron din dito iron ano tawag dito? Hanger. And wow! Oh wait, mamaya muna yan. Here's the coffee station. And then I don't know. Oh wow, they have refrigerator. Ooh, bolt for money. Meron silang coffee. Ay, very, very, very nice. Then they have this coffee maker. It's a couch.
I mean,
Very nice.
I'm sure it makes out into a bed.
Yeah. And there's TV. This is so cute. TV you can watch, a beautiful couch and a table if you like working station if you wanted to do something in your computer, and the bed, it's what is this? A king size. King size bed. Wow. And oh my gosh, look how beautiful. The bedside table with the mirror and mushroom lighting. Mushroom. What? I know this. No. Wow, this is so beautiful. And this is our view from the outside. Front view. Paano ba to? Here. Oh my gosh. Here. Ay, babe. Ay, that's so nice. Oh, kita. This is our view. I think the front in the vlog. Okay, we are in the this side. Oh, okay. Ay, wow! A big mirror. Oh. Oh, this is a very nice way to show you the bathroom. Oh my goodness, this is a very, very beautiful bathroom. Look. Wow, so nice. And shower. Perfect. My blower, I'm sure. Okay, blower, that's good. This is not fair. Only your name. Only your name. Where's my name there? Where's my
You
name?
want me to complain?
Ay, thank God we are here safe and sound, people, after everything. To be honest, I could not be able to vlog properly on our way because we woke up at 1. Do we?
1:30.
1:30. So I can't remember if I sleep at least 3 hours. I am not sure. I think not. He said that 1 hour only. That's why my head hurts so much that I'm very worn out from all of this trip. From Houston to Chicago, it was like 2 hours something flight. But when we got to Chicago, guys, agoy, the flight was very delayed, like 2 hours. We board at the plane around 10:30ish, 10:40. But then the plane didn't left the airport around 12:40. Can you imagine sitting in the plane for like 2 hours. Because sakit kaya akong ulo. My head really hurts so much. But it's a beautiful, when we landed to Chicago from, Houston, guys, lucky ka, snowman. It's snowing in Chicago right now, actually. They have a lot of snow compared to here in Albany. We've seen a few places that has snow, but I think it will. You said it's gonna snow today, tonight. It's gonna snow tonight. Na magawas pa kung mag-snow, bahala na. But yeah, we're gonna roam around if we have time. But right now, I really wanted to rest. Like, my brain is like freezing. That just wanted to like shut down and like just do nothing. Because I'm really, really, really tired. But again, thank God that we are here safely. I have to message the girls. I have to call Yashli if she is home right now.
It's an hour earlier in Texas.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ay, patay. Hindi ko
So
alam.
she's not home yet.
Ay. Diba? I'm confused with time. I'm still confused with time. Because right now here in Albany, it's 4:18 in the afternoon. So I thought it's the same there, but okay.
Oh, yeah.
What?
It's 4:18 here.
So it's
3:18 in Texas. Nicer than Rochester.
Oh yeah, the one that we had, and it was very cold in there. Upon entering the hotel, I'm like, so cold. But here, it's so nice. And
Looks like
gosh,
they're doing some kind of construction there, but that's the park right there.
where?
Right there.
Huh?
Across the street. That's the park.
Oh yeah, they're working.
They're doing some kind of work.
Yeah, see,
And then that's
Albany building.
that's the Capitol building.
We're going out to eat. Nakatulog ako, guys. I don't know how long I sleep. 2 hours? I sleep for 2 hours. Yeah. Okay, mas dapat yapon ng ulo. Ang lamig. So we're gonna walk, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna bring my gloves too. Malamig man sa labas. I don't know what's the temperature outside right now. Okay, here I am. Balot na balot, guys. Hindi na maglalagay ng para sa liig kasi parang makapal naman tong ating jacket. Ay, ito yung binigay ng asawa ko nung December, Pasko. Like, yeah. Super nice. Hopefully, kaya ng ating pants patay. Mag-double pants kaya ako, no? Baka malamig sobra. Itong pants ko, guys, sa H&M to, guys, naka-clearance. Oh. Para lang siyang jogger ba na Pero, I have it in my bag. Oh, yeah. Cold. It's also windy. Ooh, wow. Welcome to New York. Ang lamig. What is? Oh. Yan na naman yung ginagawa nating paso. Oh, wow. What do you mean look familiar? What is? Where is the karate tournament then?
There.
Can we? Ulit them. Like you can cross. I think pedestrian. What? Oh, there's ice. I don't.
Point your camera up there.
Where? There?
I'll tell you when to start shooting. Alright, come on.
Wow, big building. Ito yung mga hindi ko nakikita nung kami, Rochester. Ay, meron no, Rochester.
Alright, hang on. Can you get the whole screen then?
You welcome? Yeah.
Wait, slow down.
Which one?
Wait. There.
Ah! Is that our video?
That is our video.
Why did you put it there? Oh my gosh! I was filming, I was editing that. So this is where the they are flashing the video that I was editing. Yan yung video nung nag-Rochester kami few months back. So ako yung nag-edit ng video na yon. Nilagay nila dun sa screen. Billboard. Charot. Wow. So the reason why we're here again in New York is karate tournament na naman. So we're gonna take another shots of this tournament para may ma-post kami sa channel ng asawa ko naman. So, I was expecting na merong snow but wala. I'm crying. We're just walking around here, guys, looking for a restaurant. Like I said earlier, meron naman kainan doon sa aming hotel. But gusto namin maglakad-lakad dito. We wanted to walk around. Kasi bago lang kami dito, guys. Ang hirap magsalita. Besh, ang lamig. My nose is turning red already. So, here. Chicken.
Yeah, let's have any chicken.
Let's just have chicken. We're walking across the street. You're gonna eat here at the Spinning Gyro. I don't know how you read this one, but yeah. Here, guys. Yung ibang resto is closed ng maaga. I don't know why. But let's go. Yeah, I'll get chicken. And then, oh my goodness.
What do you want to drink?
Fun. They have fun. Oh my gosh, I don't want to drink. Water na lang? Water because I had cooked earlier. No, just water. It's time for me to call the kids. Kasi guys, nakatulog ako kanina. Hindi ako naka-compact point.
No. Would you like double smash combo?
Yung mukha ko, I feel numb.
So for the chicken.
Looks like Popeye to me. Let's eat, guys. Burger.
But that's not like
Can I share? Hayop.
anything about it.
I already took one. Chop.
It is cooked.
Yeah. This serve fresh hamburger. I cannot speak.
Oh, all right. Then
I'm sure it's better than. What did you get?
we should still put that in there. That's smash burger.
Burger. I have chicken burger, like Popeye burger. Let's eat next. Yeah, it's hot. I thought you said the karate tournament is just in that building, but you have to go out, walk out.
There's a place that you can walk across.
We are done eating, guys. Busog ako. Konti lang yung kinain ko. We're gonna cross here, right? Because the convenience. Sobrang busog ko talaga. Konting-konti lang yung kinain ko, pero sobrang busog ko. Pupunta kaming convenience store to buy water kasi walang free water sa hotel namin. Walang free water sa hotel. So we have to buy. Inulit-ulit ko lang naman. 13, 12. They are closing already. It's too early, no? The restaurant. Just like same in Rochester. They are closed like around 7. You don't see them. You don't see some restaurants open. And that's a little bit weird. Usually, especially if places are like there are a lot of people, you should be open at least until 10. I'm back in the room, guys. Yung asawa ko nakipag-chika pa sa mga karate people there. Iniwan ko, guys. Sabi ko, mauna na ako. Ayaw ko mag-antay ng matagal. Malapit lang naman yung nandyan lang sa kabilang building. Doon yung karate, guys. And then, andito sa yung pangalan ng hotel na to, Renaissance. Ito, yung pangalan ng hotel. This one. Ito yung hotel namin. So, Grabe, yung ulo ko parang mabubuak sa kalamig. Sobrang lamig talaga. Super, super, super. So tomorrow, whole day kami tomorrow sa kanyang karate tournament and we'll be filming. I'm gonna call my daughter again kasi tinawagan ko kanina yung si Ashley guys, and then hindi ko marinig masyado kasi wala akong dalang headphone nung kumain kami sa burgeran ba. So tatawagan ko ulit yung asawa ko talaga. Pag nakapag-start na yun magsalita or mag-talk to people guys, kahit 2 hours hindi yan matatapos. Ako naman ako nakikipagkwento, nakikipag-usap, but 2 hours is too much for me. Nade-drain ako pag ganun kahaba yung usapan. Anyway, ay, thank you Lord kasi yung ulo ko kanina sobrang sakit. Meron pa rin ba konti, maybe because ang sobrang lamig sa labas, but better than earlier nung nag-travel kasi sobrang lala ng pagkasakit ng ulo ko talaga. Grabe. I was like, normal pa ba to? Normal pa ba to? Anyway, bakit ganyan yung camera natin? Parang nag-cloudy. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Ang lens pala, parang nag-something. Anyway, ganyan. Tanggalin na natin to. Okay, we are in our room. I really wanted to sleep. I wanted to sleep badly, but I have to make sure, well, the kids are home and safe and sound and everything. You might ask, so, si Ashley and Nicole guys, andun yung mama ni Belle. So, silang tatlo yung naiwan sa bahay. Today is Friday. So, wala silang pasok tomorrow. And then, they will stay at home. Ano lang, Sunday naman kami babalik. Babalik kami Sunday sa Texas. So, it's just a very short trip. Same as last time. Short trip. And I'm very excited. Sana, I thought that there will be snow today. Because last week, I was like looking at the weather forecast ba, and it keeps telling me na mag-snow today, blah, blah, blah. But then, as we like close by sa date, yung trip namin, nag-change yung weather niya na nawala yung snow. Merong mga ice sa gilid-gilid. But actually, sa weather forecast, tomorrow, magsusnow talaga tomorrow here in Albany. I was just like hoping that here talaga sa area na to yung snow. Kasi this is one of the biggest reason, hindi lang yung karate talaga yung pinunta namin dito sa New York. Gusto ko talaga makikita ng snow. So, actually, we didn't plan on coming here. But then, yung asawa ko, lagi kong sinasabi lang, maganda talaga makapunta para makikita tayong snow before mag-summer ulit, yung ganon. So, nagpunta kami dito. So, aside from the karate, snow talaga snow talaga, guys. So, hindi namin nadala yung kids kasi yung tournament, Saturday na yung tournament, guys. So, kailangan namin umalis ng a day before. Kasi alam nyo naman, mahirap mag-trip, mahirap mag-travel, and then, pura mismo, going to karate tournament and everything. Pagod ka. Ngayon nga, sobrang pagod namin. May pasok din sila earlier kasi Friday nga. But then, it's fine. Kasi yung mga kids, okay lang naman sa kanila. We would like to bring them actually sa trip na ganito. But then, I think, when school, when they don't have school na. Kasi may pasok pa kasi. Ayaw namin mag-skip sila ng school. Yung asawa ko wala yung card eh. Kakatok lang yun. Wala yung card. Iniwan ko. Ang ganda talaga ng room na to, guys. Honestly, pupunta kayong Albany, guys, if you wanted to visit Albany, kasi marami din silang mga museum, mga malaking old buildings here. Marami kang makikita dito sa Albany if you are into like mga old stuffs, mga classic na mga buildings, yung mga ganun-ganun. So, this hotel, I was really amazed kasi kanina, pagpasok, check-in kami. ina-upgrade kami ng babae. So, yung binayaran namin, hindi ko alam, yung asawa ko yung nagbayad. Sabi niya, i-upgrade ko kayo. So, binigyan kami malaki room. Like, super laki. This is the first room here in the USA na I was really like, wow. Super ganda naman ng room na to. Like, super ganda ng room na ito, guys. Like, the best. Sa lahat ng mga napuntahan namin na trip and everything, ito yung room na sinasabi ko sa inyong luxury room. I would say it's luxury kasi sobrang laki niya. It feels like a condominium with, it's like a condominium with upgrade. Premium. Yung, alam mo yun? Kasi never pa kaming nakapag hotel before na may paganitong mga table, working table na tingnan niyo yan. Oh, isang na working table. Nandyan yung bed. May TV. May couch. And then, laki ng lamp sa gilid. Oh, diba? Sobrang upgrade and premium. So, this is really nice. So, pag meron na naman dito na karate next year, baka punta naman kami dito, guys. Punta na kami. Meron pa kami mga plan. Meron pa kami mga plano na trip. Sinasamahan ko lang yung asawa ko, guys, kasi ito yung nagpapahappy sa kanya. So, gagamitin niya itong battery na to for tomorrow. Magpipicture siya. Ako naman yung magbe-video. Again, hindi ko na isasali sa vlog yung karate kasi pang family vlog naman natin to. But if you wanted to see, I'll be showing you guys. And, okay, naputla yung ating mukha. I'll be, ano ba? Na-charge ko na ba to? I love my bag so much. Alam nyo guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo, nakuha ko to on sale to siya guys. Kaya ginrab ko na. Originally yung price ng bag, pakita ko lang sa inyo, baka gusto nyo. Kasi nagustuhan ko to. Merong isang babae na nag-advertise ng bag na to ba? Sabi ko, hala, saan ko kaya yan mabibili yung bag na yan? And then, you know how much, I love ko talaga yung Coach bags, but then, ang mahal ng Coach bags. Uy, sobrang mahal talaga ng Coach bags. This one, I found this one online. I mean, I found this girl online na okay, feeling yung bag, kung ano may yung malalagay. And I was like, I think I want one of this bag. Kasi, ayoko yung sobrang laki ng bag pag lumalabas. Gusto ko rin na ganito na pwede cross body bag. Pwede din siyang handbag na ganito for church. Pag mag-aalis na ano tawag ito? Yung lakad na malayo, pwede i-cross body bag. Ito naman, binili ko lang to sa Shein. I think $2 lang to. Sobrang match niya sa bag. Diba? Sobrang cheap lang niya, pero match siya sa bag. But then, I love this bag so much. So, ito yung pinaka-first Coach bag na nabili ko. Kasi, diba, binigyan ako ni Ma'am Ami. So, ito yung pinaka-first na Coach bag. And then, this one, hindi siya, again, naka-clearance sale siya sa mismong website ng Coach. So, I was like, i-grab ko na yan kasi baka babalik yung price niya sa normal price. So, ayan, this one is actually, ito yung clear envelope Coach bag, if I'm not mistaken. Ang dami niyang mga lagayan. Oh, ang dami niyang mga pocket side sa loob. And I really love so much. Wala lang masyadong laman right now kasi di ko dinala nung kumain kami guys. But yeah, ang dami yung compartment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, dito ko nilagay yung passport ko kanina. Asa na yung passport ko? Dito ko nilagay yung passport kanina. Easy to grab. Kasi pag dumaan ka sa security ng airport, they will be asking for your ID. Last time, nung nag-travel kami sa Rochester, this is also stressing. Na-stress yung asawa ko kasi yung, I don't know how you call them, yung officer na nasa, type, security. Hindi niya tinatanggap yung DOD ID. So, hiningi niya sa akin yung aking passport, buti dala ko. And then this time, green card na yung pinakita ko and it was like, okay. So, dapat pala green card lagi yung dala instead of something else na ID. Just sharing you guys para smooth yung trip ba. It's 8:04. Okay, I'm gonna call the kids guys. I don't know if this vlog is very long. I can actually or I might be transferring all the files to my phone because gagamitin ko nga tong camera na to for tomorrow's karate tournament para marami pa tayong space for his karate. Kasi alam niyo naman yung husband ko, guys, gusto niya makuha lahat ng mga kaganapan sa tournament na yan para mayroon siya ma-post sa kanyang YouTube channel. Hello? Okay, I'm gonna end this video here, and tomorrow, or diba Sunday kami alis, pero hapon pa yung flight namin sa Sunday, we can still roam around Sunday morning. So I'll bring you guys with me for another vlog here. I really wanted to take photo outside, but honestly, sobrang lamig po, and then my husband didn't have a gloves, so wala kaming picture sa labas. But then okay lang yun, guys, kasi meron naman tayong video. But maybe we'll be taking photo either tomorrow or Sunday morning. Lalabas talaga ako Sunday morning just to roam around. Para naman meron tayong kahit konting trip, tour, or whatever na video from this place, from this area. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video kahit hindi naman to masyadong special, but I am just sharing na I'm glad we are here in Albany, New York, safe and sound. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like and share and subscribe this video, guys.